Hello students, welcome ulit. So, continue tayo sa problem number 13. Ano ba yung number 13? Cosine 4 sin x. So, integral of cosine, 4x. Integral of cosine 4x. Cosine x na pala, sorry. Cosine x to the power 4 pala. Cosine x to the power 4 multiplied by sine x. Tama ba? Dx. Okay. So, again, same pa din. We will let u be equal to the function inside the ibang exponent na 4, no? Kasi if we will let u equal to sine x, we will have a problem removing the exponent, no? 4. So, medyo mahirapan tayo. So, we will let u be equal to the variable or to the function inside the exponent. So, let u be equal to cosine x, which means du will be equal to negative sine x. Tama ba? Medyo matagal. Medyo matagal na kasi ako naka-differential calculus. Yan. Sin x dx. Huwag natin kalimutan ng dx. Okay. Sige. And then, I think diretso tayo. Direct sum tayo. So, u, walang problema. We'll change this one to u. However, ang du, we cannot change this one directly to du because we need the negative sign. So, what we will do, we will multiply this whole term with negative 1. Para, pag na-multiply natin to with negative 1, Para pag na-multiply natin yan with negative 1, it will be equal to du. Okay, so we can now change. However, as I've said, you cannot, if you multiply this one with negative 1, see to it that you will neutralize it. Meaning, sa kabila, we will also multiply this one with negative 1. Anyway, negative times negative is just equal to positive 1. Basically, we multiplied the function with positive 1. Actually, walang nangyari dyan sa, walang nangyari sa function natin. Okay, sige. So, yan. Okay, so, proceed tayo. So, this will become u. And then ito, negative sine x dx will become du. Palitan natin yan. Okay, so I think diretso na. Diretso na. We'll be using second equation. So, this will become negative u to the power 4, again, plus 1. That's n plus 1 all over the whole equation will be 4 plus 1. Okay, and then kasi. Okay, and then wag natin kalimutan, no? Simplify. So, this will become negative. Yan. So, this will become u to the power 5 over 5. However, dito ko na lang ilalagay yung negative ko kasi medyo hindi kita. Yan, negative u to the power 5 over 5. And then, again, our answer should be in terms of x since that is the main variable natin, no? So, we have equal to, open natin to, yan, and then palitan natin ng u with cosine x. Okay, so I think ito lang yan, medyo madali lang naman. Number 13, check natin kung same ba sa answer natin. Cosine x, tama, same lang. Sige, so same pa din. If you have any questions or clarifications, comment lang sa baba. Maraming salamat sa panonood and see you sa next video natin, which is problem number 14.